welcome to IIT Remote Center. I, Dr. Vijay Vade, would like to introduce about this. What do you mean by this IIT Remote Center? This is the facility which has been created at D.Y. Patil College of Engineering in association with the IIT Powai Mumbai. Dr. Kannan has agreed to give this particular facility, and Professor Vidya Kadam also have supported to create this particular laboratory. All the broadcasting which happens for the enrichment of this knowledge base of the faculty members is happening here. Here we will introduce to the Professor Aarti Gaikwad. Please let us know the more about this IIT Remote Center. Professor Aarti Gaikwad.
Hello all, I am Mrs. Aarti Gaikwad, Assistant Professor from Department of Information Technology and the Remote Center Coordinator. Now this is the facility which is created by our college as per the requirement of IIT Bombay. Now wherein we conduct the faculty development program for the faculties and the student different workshop for the students. Now Remote Center is the bridge between IIT Bombay and our institute, which creates the mode of interaction between IIT Bombay and our teacher and students, which will access the acclaimed resources of IIT Bombay. Now here we have conducted many courses for our faculty as well as other institute faculties, like some to name the few workshops. We have conducted Python workshop, then workshop on eSIM in IoT, then Koha and library automation, cyber security, Linux workshop, etc. Now we have a audio recording room also facility which is there in the remote center. We can record the lectures independently. So this is the facility for recording the lectures.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Aarti Gaikwad, for introducing this all various activity. I am very happy to express about our initiative, which focuses on enabling the teacher to make the shift from teacher-centric to the learner-centric mode of teaching. And this facility is one of the best facility in Pune. I am sure the more about the technical equipments, and what are the other resources, Professor Pramod Deshmukh, you please explain about what is the other equipment and facilities available into this research remote center.
Hello, I am Pramod Deshmukh, Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department. I am IIT Bombay Remote Center Coordinator. We have exactly as we see exactly these are exactly i5 operating system. We have i5 another operating system and desktop system. We have exactly the professional audio video system with a backup, and also we have exactly the CPU, ICU. Also we have exactly the another facility, nothing but exactly this is exactly the overhead 16 by 12 feet projector slides, and more than 80 participants can attend one workshop. In many operating system, Linux operating system, Ubuntu operating system, we can work on the number of platforms we are using here. Thank you so much.
Pramod, thank you very much about elaborating the all equipment and facility and activity into the remote center. Apart from that, we do have the research and development activities, some of the startup initiative which is being done here. One more good news that recently, again IIT Mumbai has given the nodal center for enhancing this particular students' capacity through a virtual lab. They have given the virtual lab nodal center from IIT Bombay. I think that this is one of the best facility which has been bestowed on the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, which helps to teach and enrich the knowledge base of all the 4,000 students of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. I am sure the students and faculty will be getting the best of the best knowledge out of this. Thank you very much.